The Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines, or CBCP, is urging Filipinos to foster unity this Christmas season. CBCP President, Most Reverend Archbishop Gilbert Garcera of Lipa, called on the public to use faith as their guide despite the challenges the nation has faced, stressing that the true spirit of Christmas lies in God's desire to unite humanity. He also encouraged the public not to lose hope, but to continue to heal and for the nation to unite. The CBCP also called on the faithful to pray not only for themselves, but also for the peace and unity of the entire country.
At tayo nagpapasalamat ngayon sapagat ang Pasko ay biyaya para sa atin sa buong mundo. Sa gitna ng digmaan, hindi pagkakaunawaan, ngunit nandiyan si Jesus. At itong pagdiriwang natin ng Pasko, ang pagkakaisa at ang pakikiisa ng Diyos sa atin. Tayo po'y magpasalamat sa Diyos.